Hey everyone, it's Tim with the Homecraft team. You are gonna absolutely love this home. We're here at 210 North Sydney in downtown Plymouth. 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath, completely remodeled, updated townhouse. You're moments from downtown Plymouth, walkable to Old Town, and just right across the street from Hines Park. You're gonna love this home. Come check it out. Hopefully you enjoyed your tour of this amazing brand new townhouse for you. This sidewalk here will take you right to downtown Plymouth. So if you're adventurous and you want to go to Hines Park behind me, if you want to just take a stroll with a bike ride to Old Town, or again, this pathway right to downtown Plymouth, this home is just for you. If you want more information, give us a call, 734-329-0123, or you can send us an email, sold@homecraftteam.com. Please stay tuned because there's some cool stuff and footage we want to share with you at the end of this. Thanks again for watching.